All right, today I'm going to show you how to use a Cuisinart toaster. I'm going to show you how to use this toaster, and I'm going to do it in a special way today, just for you. I'm going to do it without actually having bread, okay? But I'm going to show you how to use this Cuisinart toaster. All right, let's go ahead and go through it. So with this Cuisinart toaster, you would have 2 slices of bread that you get, and you'd place them inside of the top of the Cuisinart toaster. And after you do that, you're going to come down here, and there's a bunch of options that you can use, select from, to use this Cuisinart toaster to the best of your ability. You can actually press the single, okay? So if you're living single, you can press this if you are doing a single slice of bread, and then you would place it into the one side right here for the single toast. All right, so once you place it in there, you press single. Now they have a bread, so if you have bread right here, if you're just doing bread, you can do bread, put that in there, or you can do bagel. Now, if you have 2 slices of bread or 2 slices or a slice, 2 slices of a bagel, you don't press that because you want both sides of the Cuisinart toaster to toast your bread. So you have that. The next thing is the waffle. This is the waffle option right here. If you have some waffles and you want them in there, put the waffle button. Next one is the pastry. Now I'd put this under Pop-Tarts. They didn't want to put Pop-Tarts under there because they have some sort of bias towards them, I believe, but they have pastry. The next things are English muffins right here, okay? Wish they had American muffins, but they don't. They are using English, as in English A. All right, so I'm gonna press this if I have the English muffins. The next one is the defrost button. So if there are frozen, if your English muffins or American muffins are frozen, you probably wanna hit this defrost button because it assists with defrosting them before. Next is the pastry, waffle, bagel, and bread. All right, so once you've had that, then you'll come down here and you'll make a selection on how dark you want your toast, okay? So if you like it light, like white, you would keep this lever right here for the 1. If you like it brown, probably keep it around town right here. Now, if you want it blickety black, you go ahead and go to 7. Okay, now that'll get it the darkest that you want. Like it's been sitting out sun when they have a UV 10 day, I guess, whatever that means. All right, so that is 7 for darker. Now you might want to watch with this right here because if it's right here, it may make it too blickety black. All right, so stick right here. I'm gonna stick it at right here, right in the middle right there. And then when you have the toast sitting on top and you've made all your selections, you go ahead and you push this lever down and it will cook the toast or toast the toast. And then when it's done, it's reached the desired temperature, it'll pop up. Sometimes what I'll do is if it's overcooking it or I made a mistake, I try to press this up, but it won't go. So what you do is that doesn't go. So look, there is a cancel button. So this is a neat feature with the Cuisinart toaster. You go ahead and press cancel, pops up, and you're able to retrieve your toast before it gets blickety black. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for toasting and watching.